Click cell E4. The cell currently contains a formula using the VLOOKUP function. You want to nest the VLOOKUP function inside an IFERROR statement, so Excel will display a customized message if the VLOOKUP function returns an error. In the formula bar, click directly after the equal sign to place the insertion point, and then type IFERROR open parenthesis in the formula bar. The existing VLOOKUP function will be nested in the IFERROR function as the value function argument. As you type, Excel displays a screen tip and prompts for the function arguments. In the formula bar, click to the right of the last parenthesis mark to place the insertion point at the end of the existing text, and then type, comma, quotation mark, invalid rating, quotation mark, close parenthesis in the formula bar. Now you want to enter the value IFERROR argument. So if the VLOOKUP function returns an error, Excel will display the custom error message you type here rather than the standard NA error message. Press Enter. Because there is an error in the VLOOKUP function, Excel displays the customized error message from the IFERROR function you just entered in cell E4.